Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing a common problem many of us face when working with numbers removing digits after the decimal point. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who works with numbers on a daily basis, chances are you've encountered this issue before. In this video, we'll explore why this topic is important and provide a step-by-step guide on how to tackle it. So let's dive right in. When working with decimal numbers, it's not uncommon to find yourself dealing with more digits than you need after the decimal point. This can lead to inaccuracies, confusion, and even errors in your calculation. But fear not, because removing these extra digits is actually quite straightforward. The first step is to understand what we mean by removing digits after the decimal point. Essentially, this means rounding or truncating a number to a specific number of decimal places. For example, if we have the number 124567 and we want to remove all digits after 2 decimal places, our result would be 12.45. One way to approach this is by using rounding rule. Rounding involves approximating a number to a certain degree of accuracy, usually by truncating or adjusting its value. For instance, if we're rounding 124567 to 2 decimal places, we'd look at the third digit after the decimal, 6 in this case, and decide whether to round up or down based on its value. Another method is truncation. Truncation simply involves cutting off the extra digits after a certain point without considering their value. So, if we truncate 124567 to 2 decimal places, our result would be 12.45, regardless of what comes next. Now, you may be wondering which method is best, rounding or truncation. Well, that depends on your specific needs and context. If accuracy is paramount, then rounding might be the way to go. However, if speed and simplicity are more important, truncation could be a better fit. To summarize, we've covered 2 main methods for removing digits after the decimal point: rounding and truncation. Both have their uses and advantages, depending on your specific situation. Here are the key points to take away. Rounding involves approximating a number by adjusting its value based on the values of the extra digits. Truncation simply cuts off the extra digits without considering their value. Choose between rounding or truncation based on whether accuracy or speed is more important for your need. That's it for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to remove digits after the decimal point and which method might be best for you. If you've got any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more content on math-related topics. And as always, thanks for watching.